Okay, let's record this video today. When using Doc and Conf, self-deploy our Doc repository. We don't rely on cloud-based docs. And the first thing we see is this repository Haber on GitHub. I chose it to build my own Dork warehouse. And you can go to the website, take a look at its description. Then we found this release. You can see that the latest version is v2.14.0, and it was posted 12 minutes ago. Click here to expand. You can see this compressed package, offline installation. This is from 2 weeks ago. Then I won't download it here, and you can download it from here. We found our local server, create a folder, enter his name. Burrow, click in. Is there a precondition here? That is, you want to use this Harbor service. He needs to first take a look. Install Doctor first. Then you also need to install multiple comps. Because I have installed it before. Now just showing his version. We can only install it after we have these two. We upload his first line installation package here. I chose the previous 2.132 version. Upload it. You can see it's only 11 kilobytes. And then we decompress it. Enter our folder. See this file. Let's run the decompression command. Unzip it and clear the screen. Enter our unzipped file. We found the file directory. This is the unzipped folder. Click on it to see these files. Then we need to edit here. Our profile, mainly to edit it first. Here is a template. Let's replicate it. Change its name. This is the configuration file of YMI. Let's edit it. Here is the change it to your domain name or your IP address. Here we will try to change it to a local IP first. Remove its protocol and port. Let's take a look at this port. Do not charge what has been used. It's not open here. Let's order any one. For example, 9027. Give him a port. We don't consider local HTTP here. Keep only HTTP. And this is his administrator's password. None of the data below this needs to be moved. You can also change your password. Default is username is your name. After a successful modification, we will install it in this folder. Execute it. Okay, let's execute this free file first. It mainly executes a bunch of file commands. And download a mirror of Doku. Download this one to proceed. Okay, after successful execution, we clear the screen. Continue to execute its instill script. He reported an error here, said there was a problem with my dongle network. Let's take a look. Take a look at the secrets of the Dota
How
network.
to implement
because I have too many installations here. To delete a few useless networks. First, let's take a look at the current network. Then we delete some unwanted network. Let's find one that's not in use right now. This network is useless. Delete ID. Copy its name. This is used to remove advertisements. Okay, delete one. There's something else for when we show it later, so we delete multiple at once this time. This is useless. This is about downloading resources. We continue to delete a few more. This is useless. Yeah, that one. This is useless. Continue Sand Sculpture. Okay, I deleted we only need one now. We re-execute, just installed. Okay, you can see that this is all done. Let's clear the screen. Take a look at it. A multi-mode configuration file is generated here. Then let's start this service. Here it is, foreground activation. Looks like it's starting one by one here. Check out our resources. CPU memory. Wait for a while. Here's a bunch of journals. Also need to wait for a while. There is enough memory at present. CPU is also enough. It's just that the disk size is a little tight. It's starting here. Start its service. Starting different services. He's repeating the prompts now. Then we don't care. No, I didn't see the success. Let's try it directly. Let's take a look. We previously set the port number 9027. We enter this IP 9027. You can see that there is no success prompt, but it has been successful. We enter our account or the name. Also, look up his password here. Copy it. Then we click Geez. Here you go to our warehouse page. We need to start a new project here. For example, I'll call it multiple because it is used for my multiple warehouses. You see, click OK. There are multiple warehouses here. It's just that no warehouse has been pushed now. So the latter one will be separated separately. Speak. So far, we have successfully deployed it. Then we Control and C to stop it. Clear the screen. Then let it run on the back end. And there it is. Let's refresh it again. It can be seen that it is in normal use. So far, add port by IP. We have visited normally. I'll use the Cloud Panel later. To proxy it, an FRP proxy to the local can be accessed using a domain name and with an SL certificate. Today's video enters here. If you also have the need to build multiple warehouses by yourself and do consider this HAB08, then summarize it via GitHub. Download it for offline installation. Then do it. Decompress. After decompression, put this mode in his file. Change this template to your IP or domain name. And custom ports. I will cancel his HPS here because I will set his HDS to reverse proxy. Here is your own account. Live code. You can modify it yourself. Here I am, the default. Then by performing this pre-processing first, execute this installation after success. After installation will succeed, generate such a multi-commons file. Then start using multiple commons normally. After a successful startup, we can use our secret account to reverse access. Here, I created a new project. In the project, I named it multiple. I'll put my multiple mirrors later. Push to this multiple project. If you think it will work for you, remember to like, comment, and follow. That's all for today's video.